Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get ready. It's going to be more of like a chit chat, like get ready with me video, just more casual. It's not like, I don't know, it's not as like put together as some other videos might be. And I kind of failed at the chit chat halfway through because I got really like intensely focused on my makeup and wasn't really talking. And as you can tell right now, I talk with my hands a lot, so it's kind of hard when you're doing makeup to talk with your hands. So yeah, anyway, let's just get right into the video and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm starting off with a clean face, and I'm going to use, instead of my Vaseline, I'm going to be using my Laneige lip sleeping mask, just because I went on a run this morning and my lips were actually so disgusting because I didn't drink enough water beforehand. Then the next thing I'm going to put on my face is this Smashbox Photo Finish primer. Next, I'm going to use for eyebrows, I'm going to be using my NYX eyebrow pencil. This is not focusing on the pencil, but I went to New York actually last weekend. It was so much fun. I'll link the vlog. I'll put like a card of the New York vlog there because it was so much freaking fun. It was my first time in New York. I went with my sister for her. I can't talk and do my makeup. This is gonna be such a bad video. Okay, moving on to foundation. I don't really have anything that really matches my skin because my skin is so yellow, as you can tell. So I'm gonna use this. This might even be too light for me. Oh yeah, I think that definitely matches my skin. Actually, I'm an idiot and I actually need to first do color correcting. I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm just putting this on my red. I cannot see. Putting on my red marks. I'm breaking out a lot because I don't know if this is TMI, but it's my time of the month. And I also haven't been drinking a lot of water at all, so that also makes me break out more. What else can I talk about? Ooh, me and my family, well, me and my siblings rather, all decided that we're gonna run a 5K. So that's why I've been running more, and I wanted to get into running again anyways. It was just like something I could always put off, but now that I'm running a race, like I have to run now, you know? This piece of hair. Yeah, so now I have to run. Like, you're running a race, you can't look like a complete imbecile when you're running. So ooh, because I've been running, and honestly because I wanted to track my sleep, I got a Fitbit. I do think though that I feel like it's definitely over counting the amount of calories I burn every day. Okay, so now moving on to the foundation. Like I said, not really sure if this is my color. Me and my sister were talking about it in New York. We'd much rather it be too light than too brown, because I bought the Tarte Shape Tape concealers, which I absolutely love for coverage wise, but the thing that I don't like about the Tarte concealer is that they definitely oxidize a lot. So then after I put foundation on, I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I'm just gonna put this under my eyes and then on my eyelids. I'm actually gonna go in with my brush first with this because I feel like sometimes the sponge will take off coverage, so I go in with my brush, blend it out, and then I take my sponge after it's like all like in my skin, and then blend it out again, just like lightly. So then I'll go in with my Maybelline strobing liquid, and I put this in the areas where I will put my blush. So I put like this much on my finger, and I will dab that between my two fingers. I can literally not talk and do stuff at the same time. And then just put it right here under my eyebrows, my nose, and then just make sure to blend this out. I'm gonna take this Fit Me Maybelline stick foundation. I use this to cream contour before I put Hulu bronzer over it. I was actually looking up ways to contour my face, and I normally do it like down like this, and then I'm actually supposed to, because my face is so much longer than like it is wide, that I'm actually supposed to, for my face, go straight. Is that even straight? No, I still angled it down. Wow, I suck. I'm supposed to go straight towards my nose. That was way too low, Cassandra. Maybe that one's too high. Yeah, but these are so different. Ooh, I messed up, man. I'm gonna blend it out with the brush first. We're just gonna hope that I can blend this up. Whoa, Cassandra, you did not blend this out. Honey, what are you doing? Okay, now my hair's starting to look whack too. I didn't put oil in it, so now it's just getting all frizzy. Oh my god, I'm a mess in this video. We're done with the cheeks. The cheeks need to, what did I do with it? Oh, it's right here. Okay, now because my face is long, like I said, I'm going to put it on my chin. You can't even see, on my chin. Then I'm going to cut off my, I'm looking down, sorry, my forehead. Just mark it up with a bunch of dots. And I'm going to blend it in, and I really make sure to like get into my hairline. Ooh, oh my god. I just cannot believe I actually just tried to blend it with the wrong side of the brush. It's okay, I swear I'm fine. Oh, let's talk about my hair. I never got my pre-art done. I'm going to schedule it soon because my hair really needs that pre-art. I almost didn't blend out my chin. I cannot talk. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. I cannot talk and do my makeup at the same time. I'm sorry. We're then going to go in with my cute little Hulu bronzer that I've had for so long. And then just kind of go over exactly where I put the cream contour. We're gonna hope that nobody notices that my face is a whole nother color than my skin. Even though they are. 100% they are. I hate myself. Okay, so now at this time I would do blush, and this is a really, really sad thing. So I was in New York last weekend and I went to go like do my makeup, I think the second morning, I think. And I take out my Hikari, probably pronouncing that wrong, I'm sorry, Radiant Shimmer Bronzer, which I use as my blush because it's basically a blush. Look at it. It's completely, oh, it's falling. I can't do that. It's literally non-existent. We're going to take my fluffy blush brush and we're going to attempt, but like the last time it didn't work well, so I really doubt that this is going to work well at all. Look, it's all over my mirror now. Actually, that mirror is really dirty. I'm not showing you that. So I also don't know how to apply brush at all. Like literally, oh my god, this stupid freaking piece of hair. I'm trying to blend it out for you guys because I apply it to the apple, but like I don't know if I'm actually supposed to. I wonder if people are gonna watch this and be like, oh, like I'm watching her to like learn how to do makeup, or I hope not, because I need help. I'm supposed to be done and getting Thomas already, and I still have to put my eyelashes on, and god knows that's gonna take me 4 years. You know what, I give up. Blush is done. We're gonna curl our lashes actually, and I need mirror for this because I ripped my eyelashes out. I'm scared. Okay, so I was actually supposed to do this step after I did my eyebrows to make sure that it was all set and dry, but I used this Lash Sensational Boosting Serum by Maybelline because I freaking love Maybelline. I have been doing this instead, like before I put regular mascara on, because my lashes do not curl. Like, do not at all. My hair looked really good at the beginning of this video, and now it looks like a disaster, and I really do apologize. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry, and we're gonna apply our, drop the mirror. We're gonna apply our Bobbi Brown highlighter, and I'm using this fluffy, like, eyeshadow blending brush because I don't have another brush that I can use, basically. I take it, and I put a couple stripes of this, wave it around in the air like you just don't care. Sorry, I'm embarrassed. Girl, your girl needs some help. Okay, so moving back onto lashes, so we are going to put on some fake lashes, and we're going to do this off camera because I know I've mentioned in previous videos that I'm really bad at putting these on, and I haven't done them in a long time, so I know I'm going to be even worse than I normally am. This already dried. This literally already dried. I hate myself. Getting a new one. Okay. Now that I've finally gotten these on, let me blend them together with some Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Express mascara. The chit chat part of this thing pretty much went out the window when I had to concentrate way too much. So I finally got my eyelashes on. You honestly can't even tell. Lastly, I'm going to, this is insane, the amount of powder that's in here because I took it with me when I traveled and there's no way to get it back in there. I'm going to press this onto my face, my chin, my forehead, because those are the areas that get oily. I'm going to take my Mario Badescu water and spray it on my face. So that is the look. This is me finished, all done, all ready for the day. I don't know what that was, but I'm all ready for the day. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked and subscribed. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.